Hi, my name is Evan. Today I want to show you how to replace the line on a Featherlight FL20 weed eater. So first what you need to have is you're going to have the string. It's going to be Power Care Hex trimmer line. It's 0.65 inches. Most of them use that. So first we have to, at the end here, we're going to see that. So I already have my trimmer line in, but I'm going to take it out and show you. You first take your trimmer line out, and so as you said, I'm going to be using the hex trimmer line. So first what you're going to have is you're going to have this. It's easy to pull out. There's no screw-ins like others. Here's the hole. There's nothing inside yet. It should be able to move around like this. It won't come out though, unless you can pull it right now and then it comes out. You just yank a little, okay? So then here you're gonna take this end. You're gonna have to have about, let's say, 10 feet of string. I used it a lot, so it's not about 10 feet. So this can't go in right here, right? So it won't fit in. So what you're gonna have to do, it can't fit in. This side is good, but don't do it on this side or you're gonna not find the hole. The hole is on this side. There should be an insert line thing here. You're gonna take this part of the line and then you're gonna put it in and you're gonna shove it in until it stops. If you want to shove it in more, you can. It's not jammed or anything. Now, you're gonna hold this here, but like this, it can't go on, and then you're gonna wrap it around. So you can wrap it around how many times you want, and then you should leave about this much string left. And there should be another arrow that says on the top where it can fit, it says stop winding here. So you're gonna stop there. You're gonna move a little bit this way and gonna put it through right here. If you can, you're gonna hold it there. You're gonna take this hand, hold here, and you're gonna see through this hole and shove it through. So the stop winding here, I got it a little messed up. So we're gonna take this and stop winding here. Okay, so we're gonna put this through. It should be about this length to right here. It should be about this length to right here. So you're gonna hold that there and then take it, squish it in, hit it in, and you're ready to go. Thank you.